So ease of doing business. So how easily you can start a business in Tamil Nadu. The government accords the highest priority to the interest of the investors. So we are meeting the global standards. The World Bank and other even suggested we are taking into consider what all the reforms suggested by World Bank, and everything is considered and this document is being prepared. So the reforms are going to mainly focus on areas such as information and transparency, whether the government is very transparent on the industrial policies. Okay, single window system. So single application you develop, you will have from application till the approval process. So it is single window system. Next one, land availability and land allotment. So where the industrial park, you are allotting the land and whether it is available for the company, or you have to see where the land is available for establishing the parks, registering the property, construction permit, environmental registration, utility permits, labor regulations, the sector specific reforms, inspection, indirect access filing, contract enforcement, and procurement. So all these should be coming under a single window. Single window means usually if you have a single application, or that application should take care of everything else. You should not go and run behind a system in paper to do the paperwork. So everything should be online, transparent, and easy way of communication between the government and the investors. So we are completely digitizing. So it is G2B. They are called as government to business interaction. So it is the new single window portal is opened by the government. Development of central inspection team to monitor compliance inspection. So the once your factory is established, you have to get clearance from other people, right? So the inspection system to monitor the compliance inspection, what clearances you have, comprehensive land portal. The government is coming up with a comprehensive land portal saying in which all industrial park, how much amount of land is available for giving out to the companies. Construction permit portal. So, okay, construction permit portal. The creation of investment facilitation desks across the countries and sectors for automatic renewal of select licenses. So, application of license, renewal of it, editing, deletion, denying of all these are available in the single window system. So, these are aimed at easing the experience of investors doing business in Tamil Nadu and demonstrate the state's interest in creating a investor-friendly climate. So these are some of the initiatives taken by the government to ensure that whoever wants to do business in Tamil Nadu is going to be an easy-going affair. So they need not wait for long, or they need not wait for approvals. Everything is available in the single window facility.